another edition of Redwolf Labs. Some people say that the larger surface area of the 8mm BB equals lesser pain. Some people say that's bull excrement. So in the name of science, we've devised a little test to find out whether it's true or not. For our test, we will be using our resident shooter, Jeremy, and our victim will be our resident porn star, Striker Hardon. As you can see, our resident porn star is having a fag, so you can see that he's just had some. Basically, in our test today, we'll be cutting into two halves, and on the top half of this vast expanse of manly built back is for lower powered guns, and for the bottom half we'll be using the higher powered guns. And representing 6mm in the low power category is the HFC L85A1 Springer. So let's chrono it to see how hard it doesn't shoot. Representing the 8mm in the low power category is this Marushin Police Revolver 3-inch version. So let's see how hard it shoots. Lights on and striker in position. And first off we have the 8mm Police Revolver. Watch the shockwaves ripple through the excessive amounts of adipose tissue. Let's see that again. So, how does that feel?
Nothing pants.
Next up, it's the Plastic Fantastic L85. As you can see, the stored energy within his body doesn't move around that much on this one. How does that feel?
It's a wimpy shot!
Striker only managed one expletive with the 8mm gun, but the 6mm didn't cause him to swear at all. Due to this technical Tourette's test, we have found that the 8mm gun hurts just a little bit more. Representing 8mm in the high power category is the Marushin Kar98K Sporter. So let's see how hard it shoots. And for 6mm we've got the Marusen APS SR2. Pocket. The 8mm Kar98K went first. Blam! The power of the 8mm BB caused a tsunami across the vast expanse of his back. So if sound equals pain, that means it was very painful. Is that right?
What the f*** wrong with you, nigga? That's so this should be
For 6mm we've got the Marusen APS SR2. Whoosh! Shake it like a Polaroid picture. Yet again, the 6mm shockwaves were not as large as the 8mm. So, was it as good for you as it was for me?
No, that was ridiculous! Stop past like
So in this short test we have debunked the myth that the 8mm BB does not cause any more pain than the 6mm BB. So there we have it. If we count pain by expletives, then we have a surefire winner. It's the 8mm BB. Please do not try this at home. This test was conducted by trained professionals in a controlled environment.